Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT on your Android device. To get started, download and install the ChatGPT app from the Google Play Store if you haven't already. Open the app and sign into your account, or create one if you're a new user. Once you're signed in, tap the message box at the bottom of the screen and type your question, request, or prompt. Then tap the send button. ChatGPT will generate a response in just a few moments. You can continue the conversation by asking follow-up questions, requesting explanations, generating ideas, writing emails, translating text, summarizing documents, or getting help with many everyday tasks. You can also upload images or files if your version of the app supports those features. If you want to start a new conversation, tap the new chat option and enter a new prompt. Explore the app's settings to customize your experience and manage your account preferences. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use ChatGPT on your Android device. Happy watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.